Alright, first time stitching on the Kenmore De Luxe Rotary. I'm almost wondering if it was repainted. I'm starting to wonder that. Notice a little paint there and it's cleaning. Where's it clean? Oh, the bobbin case. A little extra paint there. I almost wonder if it's repainted, but I see paint over here too. Oh, well, anyways, I just did the first stitches on here, and I think, of course, it looked like there was two threads, a black and a blue. I guess I should pull it out. I think I just ran out of a one thread color. Oh, maybe I started off with a blue and it's a black one. Okay, and then there's two colors. But yeah, this was like, what do I have this at? 3-ish? I kind of just went by pull to see which tension seemed like they're both the same, and it looked like I got the tension right. So this is this line. You can see, I think the old thread's a little browner. I think that's right. I don't notice any issues. I went from the longest stitch to the shortest stitch, and then I went in reverse in like a couple stitches, and that kind of was funky. I think when I was at like 1, it kind of was 0 or 1, somewhere in there. It went red though, and I guess it was... Oh, that's probably why. I was on 1. It kind of didn't really back up so quick. I don't know. But it did go back. So this is really kind of cool, actually. Having the, man, that's pretty neat. Actually, I think it's pull one. Oh, no, it's tight. Yeah. So it's cool being able to go reverse on a white now. But yeah, they seem to sew the same as a white FR. Oh, come on, focus for me. Yeah, I think I got that stitch right. Oh. Fall over. I think that tension's good. So that's pretty cool. That's really awesome. Man, that would be sweet if these had a zigzag function. But now, so now I'm going to get Rusty. So I'm going to pause and I'm going to do Rusty's first stitch. Okay, wow. Rusty's is definitely the worst looking of all these white FRs. Doesn't sound too bad. They're a little clunky, but not too bad. I do notice that the tension, even though at the lowest setting, it seemed kind of like pulling the string through is just in general about the same stiffness. So I'm thinking I might have to get in here, take this off and clean a little more thoroughly. But yeah, wow, she is focused. Yeah, she's got more than patina. She's gonna need some wire brushing. She has a little better looking bobbin winder though. Actually, it's performing better too. So, okay, let's get back to stitching. I'm going to go ahead and pause and, yeah, go from there. Okay, continuing. Rusty is the adds found, bobbin case already wound, or bobbin already wound with a red thread. And I guess I was wrong. It looks like, come on, focus there for me. It looks like the upper thread tension's a little low. Maybe not with the closest threads. Nah, I think it's still pretty low. I think it's too low. Yeah. So, and I just moved 180 degrees. But, let's see, where's she at? Yeah, it looks good from the top. Kind of going from the largest stitch. Length down to the smallest, and I increased again. Maybe from 1 to 2, I can't really tell. Not all the way down to the bottom, though. I don't know. You know, maybe that'd be where the parts, white FR can go. Boy, autofocus is not wanting to cooperate. Whatever. Alright. Doesn't want to even focus now. Okay. Alright, I'm going to pause, tighten up, and then do another. Okay, went from probably, under tension to over tensioned. So before, I think the red is pulling up more. At least in those longer stitches. Yeah. And then on the other side, And the light's not even at all. The light was coming through a lot. So then coming through on this side, and I did the 180 in the bottom to reverse, kind of reverse like station. So I'm going to go to middle ground. See what that does. Well, of course, I go back a little bit, ease up, the extreme. Not enough tension on the top now. So you can see this last one was on the right. That long string coming down, so that second one in. So a little more tension, and I think it's somewhere in that happy medium. Should be maybe right there, I guess. Okay, this is interesting. It seems like starting from the one, this first stitch is good. Then I can get mid-ground and the tension needs to go up. Then I get to the longest stitch, which seems strange to me that way. Seems good. Let's look on the other side where seems okay, and then yeah, tension, maybe not, maybe it's not too bad. Yeah, it kind of sort of seems like tension needs to go up. Yeah, I think tension needs to go up. Kind of a range where it seems okay. Get the focus really close. I want the focus very close. Oh well, somewhere over here. Yeah, over there. Somewhere's the focus. It's on the top of the phone or something. Oh well, anyway, she stitched it. It's going to be some fine tuning. Something's probably flaky. I need to probably rotate that more, get that stressed out. But she's stitching, man. That is just so amazing. Trips me out. Okay, anyways, be safe, stay healthy, and until next time, learn something new.